You dancing?
Welcome to Get Into the Picture! Hi YouTube! Today I got my new robot! Yay! Let's go.
Are you ready to open him?
Yes.
Okay, let's open him. So we ordered this robot off of Amazon, so we'll put the information down below in the description to where you could purchase him too.
Oh.
Okay.
What's this? When you put it on?
Oh, is that how he turns on?
Yes. Then he dances.
He dances?
Yes. If you put it on like that.
So it came with the remote control, and then you put 2 AA batteries, and then it came with the little cord that you can charge, and you just stick it right here.
He's dancing.
Are you dancing? Is he dancing with you? Okay, let me see. What else does he do? You gonna dance with him? So show everyone what he does.
I'm lowering. I lower it.
So what does he do?
I lowered it.
Let's listen to the music and relax.
Is that a sleepy song?
He goes forward, then he goes upward,
He goes forward and backwards.
then he goes this way.
Whoa!
Turn right.
Can you put things like in his way and see if he'll like?
Watch this when he put. I can make him walk.
Can you?
Done together.
Oh.
Let's rock and roll. Music. I'm very happy today. Let's go on platform. Please follow me.
This.
Your way. Let's go my other way. That's in my way.
What do you see? Something's in his way?
Yes.
No. Rubbish the way. That's
I said rubbish.
in my way.
So what do you think of your little robot? You like him?
That's in my way.
Watch this. I'm about to make him stop.
Whoa, what does he say?
I don't know. I'm about to make him dance again. I'm gonna make him dance.
Airlock.
You gonna make him dance?
It's gonna make him dance.
I can see.
He wants to go open his hands.
Oh, my friends, come on. Let's rock and roll. Music.
I'm making him dab. Eyes on him.
He fell down.
I'm making him dab. Oh. Oh.
So this is what the remote looks like. There's a music button, dance button, demo, control, stop, and then there's the volumes, and you could go up and down.
Did you press one the wrong way?
And then this is the box that it came in. It says demo. What does it do? Let's see.
Receive the order. Immediately executed it. Forward.
Oh, what is he doing?
He's forward.
Let's see what he does.
Backward.
He keeps doing it by himself.
Does he? Okay, let's see what else he does.
Slide forward.
Whoa, that's cool.
Slide backward.
Whoa.
Turn left.
That is so cool.
Turn right.
Autopilot?
That's the auto.
Pilot?
Look at him.
I'm putting him right here. So he don't fall. He's gonna go.
Over.
See if he hits, if he notices. Oh, wow, he moves back because he feels it. Okay, does he sense the back way or no? That's cool. He knows when something's in front of him. See? He scoots back. That's cool.
I'm doing it again.
Receive the order immediately as coded.
If you play with it, you just put on autopilot. Rest. Then you then put on autopilot if you rest.
Oh, that's that button that makes it do that silly stuff, huh?
Yes. Bye, YouTube. Bye. Make sure you like it. Bye.